Welcome to the Heart of Things podcast. My name is Jessica, and I am a student at BYUI studying health communications. You may wonder, what is that? It is ideas of how to get across health information in different ways, whether it's a press release, podcast like you're listening to now, and other fun means. That is why I am here today. I want to use this podcast as a chance to talk about heart disease and how it affects all of us, but especially Black men. I was drawn to this topic of heart disease when I realized in my research that this is the #1 killer for most of the people in the United States. What I didn't realize was Black men are 2 to 3 times more likely to die from heart disease than white men. That's 1 out of 2 or 1 out of 3. That's too high. They are also 40% more likely to have high blood pressure and to not have it under control. That's almost half. These numbers are heartbreaking and shocking, and I wanted to come together with the Black community and change it today. The first thing I wanted to talk about is, what do I mean about heart disease? Does it mean a heart attack? Heart disease has a number of health-related issues connected to it. This can mean clogged arteries in the heart, arms, or legs, having a stroke, high blood pressure, and what you know as a heart attack or chest pain. What causes heart disease? Sometimes it is in your genes from your parents or grandparents. Sometimes it is unhealthy habits that we have picked up. Maybe you have a habit of frying your food in bacon grease or grabbing fast food while you are on the go. Maybe you feel like you are too busy to exercise, especially the suggested 30 minutes a day, 5 to 6 times a week. That seems like a lot. And because of this, you are heavier than you would like to be. Another cause can be high blood pressure. What is high blood pressure? High blood pressure is when your systolic number or the upper number is above 120 and your diastolic or lower number is above 80. This determines the buildup of plaque or fat and cholesterol, among other things, that are in your veins, and this leads to how hard your heart has to work to keep your blood moving through your body. I do understand how hard it is to change, as I have often found myself running out of time to exercise or grabbing the wrong foods to eat while I'm on the go. I was surprised when I went to the doctor's last that my blood pressure was creeping up, as was my weight. I know I am determined to change for my daughter, and hopefully this has given you guys some information to change as well. You may ask, what if genetics causes it? It doesn't mean to give up hope of a healthy life or throw in the towel and stop moving and just eat whatever we want. If we start to use heart-healthy actions, like we've discussed, you can lower your risk of heart disease by 45% despite of your family history. That is almost half. And because there is such a high chance of improving your heart health, I want to ask you to change one thing today in order to give you a longer life and heart health. Start exercising for 30 minutes a day, or aim to get 4 to 5 fruits and vegetables in your diet a day. Also, you could start eliminating fatty foods like those darn drive-thrus. These little things that you change can make a big difference in your health and help you live a lot longer. You can find more information about changing your heart health at www.heart.org. You can also find more information about my health campaign at https://sites.google.com/view/Oklahoma African Heart Health/home. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me learning about how you can improve your heart health.